One other thing you need to do is submit the Excel that you created today here to the data to the lab for your lab performance grade. Click on lab performance. Let me put this in student view. So click on lab performance. And this is where you will submit the Excel file that you created. So I'm going to save my Excel file. I'm going to file, save it. Oops, not share. File, save as. I'm going to put it in my desktop. Okay, so I'm going to call it last name. And then just keep the regular name there of the file there. Save it. And now going back to Canvas, I'm just going to upload, just drag the file. Choose a file to upload, click here, go to the desktop, and there's the file, open, and so there's the file right there. And then submit the assignment, and that would count as your lab performance for today. All right. So let's stop the polling now. And it should give you a preview of your of what you submitted. Okay.